When designing a REST API, it's important to choose descriptive, meaningful, and consistent names for your API endpoints. Here are a few guidelines to follow when naming your API endpoints. Use nouns. API endpoints should represent resources, so it's best to use nouns to name them. For example, if you are creating an API for managing users, you might have endpoints named users, id, and users, id, posts. Be descriptive. The names of your API endpoints should clearly describe the resource or action they represent. Avoid using abbreviations or acronyms that may not be familiar to all users. Use lowercase letters and hyphens. To make your API endpoint names more readable and consistent, use lowercase letters and hyphens to separate words. For example, use users, id, posts instead of users, id, posts. Be consistent. Use the same naming conventions throughout your API to ensure that it is easy to use and understand. This will make it easier for developers to learn and use your API. By following these guidelines, you can create API endpoint names that are descriptive, meaningful, and easy to understand. This will help make your API more user-friendly and easier to work with.